got an invoice for Bailey for $500 per hour. I was working on this for 3 hours now.
3 hours?
Yeah. Oh, what time is it right now? It's probably like 1:30.
It's 4:30. Yeah. Oh, it's exactly 4:30.
It doesn't look too bad. There is some scorching marks on the pressure plate, but for the most part, it does need to be replaced. I did notice that the slave cylinder fell apart, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that as well once we get everything back together. Now this is just your basic OEM style clutch, I believe. I'm not too sure if it's upgraded or not. It's whatever my brother brought to me to change out. Anyway, it should be fine because we're not going for anything high performance. This is still a stock Z, so it should work fine. Okay guys, so I'm under the car. I'm gonna go ahead and push this pilot bearing out. I'm gonna use the bread method. I've never done it before. Okay, so pretty much you just shove a whole bunch of bread down the hole, and then you find a socket or something that'll fit perfectly in the pilot bushing, and you start hammering away, and the bread will force the bushing out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pressure plate on. The new clutch is in. We're gonna go ahead and hopefully slap this all together.
Oh my
and tell him if he ever tries to touch me again. Yeah, tell him. Tell him.
I protected him.
Yeah, tell him. Next time. Now he knows.
Yeah. Little brother versus the oldest biggest brother. Yeah.
That's no mess, bro. Hold me. Let's hold each other back.
Hey.
Hold each other back.
So stupid.
Oh. Let me see.
I can see it bleeding. I don't want to touch it. My hands are dirty still.
Blaine dropped the impact on his face, and his eye is bleeding now. You okay?
Yeah. This is so stupid. I feel extra like Asian. I can't even close my eyeball.
Let me see. It's okay.
No, I'm gonna take it off.
What are you guys doing?
No, because you see, they're not gonna steal them if it's it'd be easier to steal right there.
You guys are so mental.
What? This is the shoe. Now walk past. Walk past over here. Was it hard, yeah? I'm the head of loss prevention over here at Flight Security. Private. It was a private union. I need to put a hat on because I can feel the grease on the back of my head.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. My eyes look like lips.
Wait, hold up.
Bailey literally comes over here and does nothing.
Dude, why keeps rolling his window up?
I don't want you to talk to me.
What do you want?
So you get the strong muscles. You know those things? You know those things. So how was it pulling it?
So excited!
Excited! Too bad it's like a heavy piece, yeah? Can't just carry him. I wish I could just carry him.
Oh, good thing that you guys brought the camper in. That was a good.
I don't think nobody saw
Like,
it.
nobody
Why
saw-
you think we was a stupid? Yeah, it worked, see?
See, if we left it over here,
Look,
someone might have took it.
Anywhere that the sun touches, oh, so still, easy still. That's the 1986 300ZX. That's the spare car for the spare parts. Yeah, we just bought, that's the parts car. It's all gonna go inside here.
Same car, same thing.
4-door 300ZX.
Oh, it's almost nicer than the other one.
That's too far.